In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Google Docs black. By the end, your document will have a sleek, dark page with crisp white text, perfect for reducing glare at night or giving your work a bold, modern look. Start by opening Google Docs and loading the document you want to style. You can use a new blank document or an existing one. Once it's open, look to the very top left of the screen and click File. From that menu, choose Page Setup. A settings window will pop up with options that control your entire page. In the Page Setup window, find the Page Color section. Click the color box there, and you'll see a palette of colors. Choose black for a true dark page, or pick a dark gray if you want a little bit of contrast that's often easier on the eyes and can make certain elements stand out more subtly. When you're happy with your choice, confirm your selection to apply it to the whole document. You should immediately see the canvas switch to your chosen dark tone. Now that the page is dark, let's make sure your text is readable. Select the text you want to change. If you want to change all of it at once, use the Select All shortcut. On most keyboards, that's Ctrl+A on Windows or Command+A on Mac. With everything highlighted, go to the toolbar and click the text color icon. It looks like a capital A with a colored underline. From the color options, pick white. Your text will flip to white, creating clear contrast against the black or dark gray background. As you continue typing, your new text will follow the color you've just set in the area where your cursor is active. Take a quick moment to scan your document. Make sure headings, list numbers, and any text in text boxes are also white. If anything looks too dim, simply select it and set it to white again. Images and tables will stay as they are. If a border or fill looks too dark against the black page, you can adjust those separately later on if needed. A quick note, changing the page color affects this document only. It won't switch the overall app interface to dark mode. Also, if you plan to print or export, remember that a black page will appear black on the output, so preview first to avoid using unnecessary ink or toner. And that's it! You've turned your Google Doc into a clean, dark canvas with bright, readable text.